Hello guys, so if you're looking to create some logos or branding for packages in Midjourney, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now without wasting more time, let's begin. So firstly, just simply open Midjourney and I've prepared some prompts that you can use for creating packages. So the first prompt is for a mascot logo, this one over here. So what I wrote is a logo design for a tow truck company called Maxwell. So now after you're in Midjourney, just simply enter your prompt by clicking \imagine, then your prompt. Now what you are going to write is the details about your logo. Like I've prepared some examples that you can use. Now if you're creating a mascot logo for any company, so be specific what you want, like a mascot logo, then of what you want a mascot logo, of a robot. And now after that, define what you want in that logo, like what type of logo you want. Should it be simple, modern, sci-fi, that thing. So in this case it should be simple because I want simple logo. Now which type of art you want, it should be in vector. Now what you don't want, be specific about that as well. So write that by adding a space dash no shading details. So after doing that, you will find this type of clean logo of a mascot. Now I have made multiple logos, like for example this emblem for a bike motorcycle group. Now so in this what I've written is an emblem for a motorcycle group. So in the first one I'm telling Midjourney what I want in the logo, then what type of art I want and how the art should be, and then in the end I am telling Midjourney what I don't want from it, like no photorealistic details, and it came up with pretty good results, as you can see right over here. I also tried different things for letters, as you can see right over here. I specified what type of letter I want, then it should be in a logo, defined the font that I want, the art and the way, and what I don't want, as you can see right over here. Same goes for this one. In this one I told him what I want, the way, the art, and in this one I specifically told Midjourney which type of art I want, which is psychedelic art. So you can use famous artist names to create art in Midjourney as well. And again, I told Midjourney what I don't want. Just like that, I've created screen paint over here, gradient. So just be specific and tell Midjourney exactly what you want from your art and logo. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.